Flip your hiccups upside down by drinking water in reverse. This bizarre yet surprisingly effective trick works because it disrupts the diaphragm spasms causing those pesky hiccups. The secret lies in the act of bending over and sipping from the opposite side of the glass, which forces your diaphragm to reset its rhythm. As gravity takes over, the water flows down your throat, and the focus on balance and coordination distracts your nervous system, interrupting the hiccup cycle. Next time you're caught off guard by hiccups, grab a glass of water, tilt your head upside down, and watch the magic happen. It's a quirky life hack that might just save you from an awkward hiccup moment.